We gather here, one heart and mind, leaving every doubt behind. In collective prayer, our strength is found. On this holy common ground, like the church of old, we share
mission to serve and the faith to prove.